Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to download GIFs from Pinterest. So now without any further ado, let's begin with the steps. So first of all, open Pinterest and open the GIF that you want to download. Now simply tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Now over here tap on the option of copy link. After copying the link, all you have to do is just go back and open any web browser on your mobile device. So since I'm using an Apple device, I'm gonna simply launch Safari here. Now just go to any search engine and search for Pinterest Video Downloader. Now tap open the website that is on top of your search results, that is pinterestdownloader.com. Now once you come to this website, just tap on paste your links here and then paste the link of the GIF that you had copied and then tap on the option of download. Now let's wait for some time. This may take a while. Now scroll down below and I'm going to tap the option of force download image here. You can also tap on download image. Now over here tap on download. And then simply tap on the downward button just beside your search bar. Now simply tap on downloads over here. Now tap on the GIF that has been downloaded. Now if you tap on the upward arrow button at the bottom right corner of your screen, you can save this GIF to your mobile device by tapping on Save Image or Save to Files. So that's how you can download GIF from Pinterest. And this is it for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.